In case you're still contemplating, should I start up a YouTube channel? Now is the right time. Are you wondering, how will I now make my thumbnail? How will I design those wonderful wallpaper? I'm here to show you how. Keep watching this video. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Favor, and this is my concept. So today we'll be doing a tutorial. I'll be walking you through step-by-step procedure on how to make this thumbnail. So first of all, just like I've mentioned, if you're deciding to use a picture, you have to edit that picture and be ready. So if you go to your insert, you go to photos, you click on this new, and then you select the picture you want to edit. Now, down here, scroll to cut out. That is it, the background is out. Then you can choose to add this line by clicking on this particular symbol here. Can you see that? And then you scroll. Let's choose this one. And we can reduce the outline like this. And go to this color. Are you seeing what I'm doing? That's beautiful, isn't it? So we can change the color of this background now to black so that we can fit it anywhere. So we put this black here. And then move this image to the side so that it will be easy for you to write. Okay, click on it and then you save by clicking this export up here. So you've saved it. So after editing your picture now from InShot, you go to this Canva app. Yeah, this is the home page. Like I said, or I've mentioned earlier, if you've not created an account, it will ask you to create an account and then you log into your Canva. So this is what the home page of Canva looks like. Then you click on YouTube thumbnail. You see, it will create this YouTube thumbnail for you. And then these are samples of the previous designs made by people. If you want to use their design, that's fine. But for the purpose of this video, we are creating our own, so we're not using their design. So what we'll do is we'll click on back, yes, and then we'll click on this box here and click on replace. That's for trying to replace it. Then we select our picture we have already edited, and you have it here. So the next thing is to add a text. You add this heading, and the heading will be let's change the color to yellow. I love yellow. So we've chosen color. Then we'll now type easiest. Oh, let's use it in capital letter. Easiest way to make. Then we can go under just to make it not too long. Easiest way to make a space YouTube thumbnail. And then let's choose the right font we want. I usually use this Gangaline. Yeah, let's select this other one too and make it all the same. So select all and make it Gangaline. Yes. So we can click on it and move it up here. We can increase the font size. Easiest way to make a YouTube thumbnail. Does this look okay? Yeah. And then we can add elements. So if you click on this screen like this, you see what's here. If you want to see the main options, click on the screen. Then you see elements, click on elements. You can add YouTube logo there. Just reduce the size, move it here. Yeah, and then we can now click here again and add our YouTube name. So let's write text, subheading. And write I always like changing the color first. So you see where this color is, click on it. Let's use white this time, and then we now write favors concept. You've written it, right? So click on it and move it down. You see, then let's just add YouTube symbol there again. So click on elements, see it there, reduce the size, bring it down here. It's still big, you reduce. So you're just going to be playing around this thing. Create the design you think is beautiful. Yeah, and here we go. This is it. Is it looking beautiful? So you can always just adjust it to your preference and make it in a way you like it. Okay, and that brings us to the end of this video. If you found value from this content, please and please like the video, share it to those that you think might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.